guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Tiffany, and if this is your first time here, welcome. I'm so happy to have you here. Today we are going to be talking about oil pulling. And if you haven't heard of oil pulling, it's basically just a method to help you out with your oral health. All you have to do is take an oil, I suggest a coconut oil, switch it around your mouth for about 20 minutes, and then spit it out, rinse your mouth off with water, and then you're good to go. So here are the benefits. You're like, why am I gonna do that, Tiffany? Why am I gonna put oil in my mouth and switch it around? Sounds a little repulsive. So the thing with oil pulling, it has so many benefits. And the reason why people do it is because oil pulling actually draws out the bacteria in your mouth to help you keep your mouth nice and fresh and healthy. It helps combat things like cavities, tooth decay, gingivitis, bad breath, aka halitosis. I just really wanted to say that word. And so there's really no going wrong with this. So today on this video, we're actually going to make, I don't know what to call it. Should we call it like oil pulling poppers? To make it easier for us to oil pull daily. So the oil I recommend is actually coconut oil, and I got the organic virgin coconut oil, cold pressed, and I actually liquefied it in like some hot water so I can pour it into this. And so look how cute this is. So I'm just gonna pop these suckers out. There you have it. Coconut oil poppers. Put the coconut oil in the drain. Do not split it out in your drain because it will clog your sinks. Spit it out in the trash can outside. Just do not put it in the sink. I don't want your plumbing to be messed up because of this. I just want your oral health to be good. Thumbs up for not clogging the sink, right? Okay, I love you guys. Happy oil pulling. Bye. Put your mouth. Let it melt and then swish around.